Hello and welcome to First Class eLearning. This video will introduce you to our online classroom and will show you how it works. At First Class eLearning, we offer live and interactive learning using a secure online classroom with a virtual whiteboard which students share with a tutor. There is also two-way voice communication so that the tutor and the student can talk back and forth to each other. What you are looking at right now is what you will see when you enter our online classroom. There are 5 important areas in the online classroom. The first important feature is the audio control, which is located in the top left corner of the room. The audio control consists of a speak button with volume control sliders. This enables students and tutors to talk back and forth to each other. The quality of sound is crystal clear. It is as if the person to whom you are speaking is sitting right next to you. The second important area is the participants list. This area shows all the participants in the room, including the tutor and any students who are in attendance. Underneath the participants list is the text chat area. This is an area where students and tutors chat by typing. They simply type what it is that they want to say into the space that's provided, and then press enter on the keyboard. The message is immediately displayed in the public messages area. Text chat is a good feature because it provides another way for students and tutors to communicate in the online classroom. The next important feature is the whiteboard. The whiteboard covers the greatest part of the online classroom, and all of the slideshows, the drawings, and the images are displayed on the whiteboard. There is also a drawing toolbox, which is located on the left side of the whiteboard. Students and tutors use these drawing tools to mark and write on the whiteboard. Anything that you would normally write or draw on a chalkboard or whiteboard in a regular school classroom, you can write and draw on the whiteboard in the online classroom. The drawing tools can be used to draw lines and basic geometric shapes, such as circles, squares, rectangles, ovals, and so on. The handwriting tool is used for handwriting on the whiteboard. It is used to draw numbers and words on the whiteboard. Anything that the tutor or the student writes and draws on the whiteboard can instantly be seen by the other in the room. The highlighter tool is used to highlight an area of the whiteboard that you wish to draw attention to. The text tool is used for typing on the whiteboard. There are 2 sets of eraser tools, which may be used to erase anything on the whiteboard that you wish to remove, and to make corrections if mistakes are made. There is also a math symbols library, which can be used to work out questions in math. As well, for math, social studies, and science, there are coordinate grids. This feature allows you to very quickly and easily display coordinate grids on the whiteboard. This is very useful when constructing graphs or marking locations with the coordinate system. And here are some simple examples using the coordinate grids. These are some of the drawing tools, and there are many more. As was mentioned a few moments ago, the whiteboard is a very important part of the online classroom, and it provides a workspace where the student and the tutor can work together. For example, working out the answers to questions in math, language, social studies, science, or any other subject which the student is learning about. Everything that is written on the whiteboard is instantly seen by the participants in the room. While working on any topic, the tutor and the student can talk back and forth to each other as if they were sitting side by side. And the whiteboard can be expanded to full view, which fills out the entire computer screen. Next are some examples of how students can interact with the whiteboard. The first sample shows working out the answer to a simple math question. The tutor watches as the student writes on the whiteboard. As the student writes, it is instantly seen by the tutor. Another example which illustrates how easy it is for students to interact with the whiteboard involves finding the area of a parallelogram, which is taken from the elementary school curriculum. The tutor watches as the student writes on the whiteboard. Our tutors will not do the work for the students. Rather, they will guide the students and teach them how to do the work for themselves. The following examples are screenshots that were taken from actual tutoring sessions that took place in our online classroom. The first example shows a junior high math question with all of the workings displayed on the whiteboard. The second example involves working out the answers to a senior high math question. This example shows some of the work that was displayed on the whiteboard during a chemistry session at the senior high level. The whiteboard can also be used to display images, documents, or other files, which are beneficial in teaching a session and may be used by the tutor. The images used depend on the subject area and the grade level. Here are some examples at the different grade levels that can be displayed on the whiteboard. This language worksheet is taken from the elementary school level, and it will show you how the student uses the text tool to interact with the image on the whiteboard. If mistakes are made, the eraser tool can be used to make any necessary corrections. At the high school level, this worksheet may be used as a model to help students learn how to develop a character map. In social studies, maps may be used to enhance tutoring lessons. Charts can be used in science. For example, this particular pie chart was used to go along with the discussion in science on global emissions. It helps to have a visual to go along with the tutoring lesson because it enables the student to understand the concepts better. Next is a demonstration that shows the steps involved in solving an algebraic equation. This sample is a chemistry worksheet, and both the tutor and the student can use the drawing tools to interact and write on the whiteboard. And the same thing can be done with this physics worksheet, with both the student and the tutor interacting while they talk back and forth. The whiteboard can also be used as a web browser, which means that the tutor can share any educational website that is on the internet with the participants in the room. And here are some samples. Any website which the tutor shows on the whiteboard will instantly be seen on the participant screen as well. There's just no end to the number of excellent educational websites which can be used in tutoring sessions. And students are guided to see which websites are credible and of the most benefit in helping them to have a better understanding in areas where they are experiencing difficulty. PowerPoint presentations may also be used in a tutoring session if the tutor has one which he or she feels will help students to understand concepts better. And the tutor and the student can draw and interact with the slides by using the drawing tools. You have just been introduced to some of the features of the online classroom. There are many more. As you can see, the online classroom is a very powerful learning environment. This concludes the presentation on an overview of the online classroom. Thank you for viewing this video.